Menma is a popular Japanese condiment that's slightly crunchy and full of flavors. It's made from fermented bamboo shoots and often used as a topping for ramen noodles. To make menma, you'll need bamboo shoots, sesame oil, garlic, chicken boiling powder, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and water. First, cut bamboo shoots into thin slices. I recommend cutting them to about a quarter-inch thick and 2-inch long. You can find canned bamboo shoots in most local Asian grocery stores. Avoid pre-cut bamboo shoots, as I find they are often too soft. You can also order it online from Amazon. The traditional menma is very flavorful, but takes too long and too much effort to make. My version skips the long drying and fermenting process and make a quick and easy homemade menma that's still full of flavor. Then mix together chicken bouillon powder and water, then set aside. In a non-stick skillet over medium heat, add sesame oil and minced garlic. Sauté for about 1 minute. Add sliced bamboo shoots. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. Then add the chicken stock mixture, soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Mix and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer uncovered for about 10 to 15 minutes until the liquid has mostly evaporated. You can serve immediately or store the menma in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will last for up to 1 week.